people call it sweet potato. It is not sweet potato. It's batata. So right now, after I cut it, I let it sit in salt water for a little bit. And this, I have no idea what it's called in English, but you might know it. It's called lamb véritable in French. So I did the same thing. Let it sit in salt water, and then once my oil is ready, we're gonna start frying them soon. This is my favorite. I cleaned and prepared this last night. I also seasoned it. And once you have your fish, you let it sit for a long time, and the seasoning is the best part. You get the most result with all the acidic. I love the acidic part. So we're just gonna let them sit for a little bit and start heating up the oil and start frying. Happy profession. She was like, whoa, I'm cooking. Ah! Alright, so let's take this out. Pepper color, all done. Try to find the easy version for this. how it looks. Now this lady's ready to come out. Look at this color, guys. Wonderful. I love this brown color. So this is tomato paste. I put it on a container and I put oil on top because it preserves it from going bad. So we're going to take a little bit of it and add. And we're going to get some butter. I use Land O'Lakes butter. Now we have Maggi. We have lemon day. Lemon day. Garlic paste. Mix everything real. A good way to mix everything real fast is I do this. Now we have the paste going everywhere and the garlic as well. We're just gonna let it sit and then we'll have it cooked up right now. As you can see, it's very yummy, juicy, and sour, guys. See, if I could grab one, I'll fully off the bone. The best part. So yeah, wait good enough to get the best part, guys. Some bell pepper, onions, just now I love me a lot of onions and bell pepper, so therefore I add a lot more than usual. But today, this is it. Okay, guys, this is the final look. So like I said before, the batata, we have the fried batata here, and this, I still don't remember what it's called in English. It's like lamb véritable in French. And this is our happy fish. I also made some pickles. If you're Haitian, you know what that is. It's right here. It has cabbage, carrot, and onions in it. And this is the sauce. You cannot forget the sauce, guys. And this is turkey sauce. We're just gonna eat it together. And the best part of all, mango juice. All right, guys. Bon appetit. Bye.